excited about like Internet of Things, like having everything respond to your needs immediately. Yeah, it's the integrations, yeah. It's not like getting things online so much as making the experience seamless. Your fridge tells you, hey, if you don't eat that chicken you bought yesterday, it's gonna go bad. So here's a recipe with the other ingredients you already have.
Or it could tell you
tells
to
you what
get
to
some
cook.
chicken when you're near a store.
Exactly. Or it's like, oh, you're missing just one ingredient for this really awesome recipe you were looking at. Just stop by Whole Foods on your way home and grab it.
That's a tough one.
Not a sandwich.
Yes, is a sandwich.
Astronaut.
I wanted to be a surgeon because I had a surgery at 4 years old, and I was like, wow, I want to be that person who, saved me. I'm obsessed with sort of podcasts. So I'm obsessed with Tiesto's latest podcast.
It's a podcast about like items, like design items that you don't usually notice in your day-to-day life.
There are some trends. So there's been a trend to not have a monolith, which is one huge application. This is harder to work with. So that trend has been going into, split up your application into smaller pieces. That's been microservices, or just service-based development, and then became microservices, and now it's becoming even smaller chunks of your code that are just functions, essentially. My favorite food in Europe is goulash, and in the States, it is hot Cheetos.
My favorite food so far has been this really good roast duck we had in Prague with like potato dumplings. Swift?
Actually don't know Kotlin, so that would be something I'd be interested in learning.